In order to properly disassemble a PMAG, you will need to depress the lock plate tab on the base of the magazine. Once depressed, slide the floor plate rearward while maintaining positive control of the lock plate, spring, and follower, as these items are under tension. Simply remove the lock plate, spring, and follower from the magazine body. You will now be able to inspect the magazine body for damage, dust, dirt, and debris. In order to properly clean the inside of the magazine body, use a microfiber cloth and push through the base of the magazine. Once complete, pull from the other side. This process can be repeated until the magazine body is clean and free of debris. Inspect both the feed lips and base of the magazine for cleanliness. In order to properly clean the follower, spring, and lock plate, use a microfiber cloth with a small amount of CLP. Wipe down any dust, dirt, or debris that may be on the spring, and remember to also clean the follower and lock plate prior to inserting them back into the magazine body. Before assembling the PMAG, ensure that the follower and magazine body are in the correct orientation. Simply insert the follower into the magazine body, followed by the spring and lock plate. Depress the lock plate until it is fully seated inside the magazine body. This will allow the floor plate to be installed onto the magazine body and clear the lock plate tab. The lock plate tab will fully seat in the floor plate once it is installed correctly.